Hello guys, this is your friend the Great Lobbyist and I'm back again with another awesome video, and today we're going to talk about mobility and portability, and we're going to talk about Lenovo Yoga Slim 7. This is one of the latest laptops from Lenovo in the Yoga series, and we've got one right here. This all came in a bad looking ugly brown boxes that they come in, but inside that box was this beautiful looking box which has a beautiful yoga blue color branding, and this brown box. Let's get rid of this brown box, finding out what's inside it. And while I take out what's inside it, can I please request you to press the subscribe button and the notification icon if you're watching us on YouTube, and if you are watching us on Facebook, don't forget to press that like and follow button. And across all the platforms, do like, share and comment on our videos so that we keep getting all the love and you keep getting all the prizes that we give away to our winners every month and every quarter. So guys, inside that box is a charger. The adapter, it's a 65 volt adapter, very small and slim, and that's what makes it beautiful. I think less space to carry means more mobility, better portability, and means easy to carry around without having that bulky bulge coming out of your laptop bag. And you don't even need that, because this beautiful looking hardware has some amazing features. So we're going to talk about it, but let's find out what's inside the box. We're going to straight away get on to opening on it. Inside, we've got some paperwork, as always, as usual, standard documentation, and laptop straight up. And under the hood, we've got some more paperwork, setup guide. That's back. We're not going to need this as well. And we have the laptop itself. Whoa, that's a beautiful color, guys. I mean, lovely, absolutely lovely. This is great orchid sort of color. Let's get rid of this as well. Normally one there. And we're going to use this as a space to turn this on. So, guys, while I turn this on, let me talk you through it. And so guys, this is the Lenovo Yoga Slim. Portable, beautiful, elegant, stylish, and very powerful laptop. I love it, the look and feel of it. I mean, this is the orchid color. It also comes in slate gray as well. All metal body. The touch, the look and feel gives you that sturdiness, that strength that you need in your laptop, especially the mobile, portable ones, because you need to carry them around, probably rough handling a little bit as well. So all metal body takes care of it. And the color is amazing, and it's not just the beauty, it's quite powerful as well. So this has got 8 powerful cores, the new AMD Ryzen 4000 series mobile processor with Radiant graphics. We're going to talk all about it in the video, and 7 nm when it comes to Zen 2 cores, so that the cooling system is amazing as well. And as you can see on the display, beautiful, isn't it? Look at the colors, the vivid, the depth of the blacks and everything looks amazing. And the bezels are absolutely same. This is a 14-inch model. We also come in 15-inch model as well. And so you don't have to worry about it. You know, the kind of choice that you look for. And this is all sRGB, 100%, advanced HDR, Dolby Vision, and AMD Radiant graphics. That's going to be an entertainment machine itself, while even on the move. Beautiful speakers right here, Dolby. Amazing. So looks amazing. And my favorite part, 19 hours of battery life. Guys, come on, that's amazing. You know, when you have 19 hours of battery life. So guys, amazing looking piece. Let's talk a little bit more about it from the technical side. But before we get on to the technical side, let's quickly close this so that I can show you what all ports it has. 2 USB 3.1 generation 2 SD card reader on one side, HDMI on the other side, and Type-C for the charging port, and the the headphone jack, which is a combo of microphone as well. So that's from the body, nothing else, no other ports, but good enough for us to run through the day. No need for additional dongles and everything. And Type-C is charging port. Along with that, you can use it as a data port as well. So you're sorted there. So guys, let's talk about the techs. You know, AMD Ryzen 7 4800U mobile processor, one of the most powerful mobile processors, one of the top of the line, if not the top line, but one of the top line processors available on a Windows 10 Pro, 14 HD, 1920 by 1080 pixels of resolution with 300 nits of brightness. It's not OLED, it's an IPS panel, but it has optional glass display as well. 16 GB of RAM, AMD Radeon graphics, amazing graphic performance can definitely be expected out of this. The usage that I have has been amazing so far. The experience of watching movies on this has been good, and working on it and watching my own YouTube videos sometimes. When you talk about 19 hours of battery life, that is on a full HD mode. So that means if you go on a not a full HD mode, but an HD mode, you can have probably an extended battery life as well. And just in case you run out of it, don't worry about it. Just shut it down, 30 minutes of recharge, and you got 50% battery back on. Another 8 hours to go in 30 minutes. Not bad at all. Great IR camera. Now that also combines with a great security feature as well, which is the great smart sensors placed here, which detect your presence, turn on the display, turn on the camera, and log you into the system, automatically recognizing your face. And when you go away, logs itself out, goes on sleep mode, saves the battery, keeps it safe. You don't have to even touch it. Amazing stuff. Yes, of course, it does have a fingerprint optional, scanner optional in some of the models, but that's a choice you make. If you want it, you don't want it, completely your choice. Speakers are great. 2 2-watt speakers right on top. You can expect great quality sound. Doesn't weigh too much, 1.4 kgs. Not too bad at all. We've talked about the ports, so everything that you want to connect will be taken care of. Great looking piece, great hardware. One small thing which pretty much is negligible. I mean, should not even say it's a weakness, but Wi-Fi 5 instead of Wi-Fi 6. But apart from that, it is a perfect piece of portable hardware from Lenovo. Guys, this is Lenovo Yoga Slim. For me, 19-hour of battery and AMD Ryzen 7 4800U mobile processor and a 14-inch FHD display, which is almost bezel-less, are few points that will definitely definitely give you a reason to buy this. So go check this out on the retail stores when you get a chance, and if you get a chance to see it, take some selfies with it and post it on our Facebook and Instagram and tag the Great Lobbyist there, and we'll give you a chance to win some amazing prizes. And maybe they are from the courtesy of Lenovo as well. So guys, this is your friend the Great Lobbyist, and we just spoke about the Lenovo Yoga Slim. Keep yourself safe, keep yourself mobile with hardware like this, and keep yourself peaceful. Peace.